this is me and Jack. Today, we are going to be giving you your second DIY video, which is previous from the first one that we had. Now, Jack is going to be showing you a magnificent invention that will benefit all of humanity. Now, Jack, would you like to show us that invention?
Well, disassembled. All you need is a sharpener.
Just
like
a
so.
regular sharpener without the top.
It must be of a certain type. This type of plastic works the best. Now, let's proceed over to the area of
You also
life.
need a rubber band that will go around that pencil sharpener. This is very, very simple and easy to make, yet it is a magnificent discovery.
We recently did the video where we did this, and now, while making that, the harmonica, without its rubber
Got
band,
another bright
I
invention.
found this.
That'll guide humanity to a brighter tomorrow.
Now,
Whatever that means.
now, sorry, this rubber band is, well, in inches, this rubber band is roughly 3½ inches. In
So around
centimeters,
3½ inches, not centimeters. Don't screw that up. If you don't know, ask your parents.
centimeters, in centimeters, it is 8½
Let me get down focused. There we go.
Well,
So
it
now-
was 8½
Yes.
Now, the sharpener being sorry,
About
Being 2 inches.
Just around that.
being 2 inches in or 5 centimeters, you must wrap the rubber band around the pencil sharpener or pencil shavings container, I guess, because this is
Pencil
not
shavings container, pencil sharpener, whatever you want to call it.
because
It's fine either way.
this is the pencil sharpener.
Yeah,
This
that is the top part to it, but you will not need that in the making of this video.
No, I'm just showing you what it is. So it
so we
looked
don't need
like so. Anyway, onward. To use, just simply strap around the middle or however close you can get it to the
And
middle.
that's all.
No.
Besides whatever he's going to show.
Yes. And then all you have to do is pull back and let go. And it makes
So do you hear that?
It
So
makes
here,
this insanely
demonstrate-
loud noise.
Demonstrate a couple times. Do you hear that? Okay, so you have shown enough. No, Jack. No, Jack.
One
Jack.
more time.
No,
quietly.
All right, there. So you've heard the sound, and we're attracting people. Anyway,
We must go.
thank you
First,
very much
goodbye.
for watching. This video was 3 minutes and 17 seconds, and I hope you have a good day.
Let's get a good look at that camera.
Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. I like subscribing, and I like viewing, and viewing is good, and subscribing is good. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for viewing. Thank you for viewing, and thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.
That wasn't rhetorical at all. Bye.